English Lesson 30. Welcome, everyone. We're glad to see you again. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Hello. Let's get started with meditation. Very good, with our meditation. So show me 2 fingers. We'll use them to find our heart center. Good. Our other hand's open in our lap. Take a deep breath. Good. Focus here. Relax your body. Clear your mind. Be calm. Very good. Once we're able to feel it here at our center, relax your other hand. Keep that feeling in your heart. Be aware of your breathing. Relax your body and your mind. Focused at our heart center. You're calm and relaxed. Nice job, everyone. We'll slowly open our eyes, come out of meditation together, taking 3 deep breaths. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Very nice. All right, up on your feet. We'll do our warm-up together. Ready? First, stretch up towards the sky. Stretch. Stretch like you mean it. Good. And then shake it out. Good. Shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Or wiggle. You can wiggle really slow. which is kind of hard. And we can wiggle really fast. Very good. All right, next I want you to stretch down and touch your toes. Reach, stretch. And then, good. Shake, shake, shake it out. Then, very good. Spin. How many times?
3 times.
3 times. But wait. First, I want you to spin this way as fast as you can. Oh, so fast. 2, I want you to spin this way as slow as you can. Very good. Very nice. Good. And 3, I want you to spin and jump carefully. Very nice. Very nice. All right, what do we do last? Jump up and down. How many times?
3 times.
3 times. But wait. First, I want you to jump this way as high as you can. Very good. 2, I want you to jump back the other way as low as you can. Very good. And 3, I want you guys to jump and spin. Very good. Very nice. A lot of coordination going on. Very good. All right, have a seat. We'll get started with today's lesson. So today's date. Yeah. Remember today? Yesterday? Tomorrow. Very good. All right. So today is Thursday. Thursday. What color do we use for Thursday? Orange. Good. It's the 25th of August. We'll learn that later. All right. So today is Thursday. Yesterday was very good. Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. What color do we use for Wednesday? Green. Very good. Green. All right. So Wednesday, Thursday,
Friday.
good. So tomorrow will be Friday. What color do we use for Friday? Blue. Very good. So yesterday, Wednesday, today, Thursday, tomorrow, Friday. Very good. Okay, so today in English, we're going to learn about animals. Animals. Good. We talk about this in science as well, so it's a good way to blend our topics together. Let's see, we have talked about habitat. A habitat, which was a home for animals. Let's see if you remember the word for this habitat. Farm. Yeah, here, actually, let me show you something. So I hear a little bit of this. It sounds like you guys are blending F and R. From. We don't, the F and the R don't go together. It's F, yes, it's that. The R is at the end. Farm? No. Farm. That's exactly right. Farm. There. Farm. Very good. Farm. All right, good. We said that this was a farm, right? We use this picture for a farm. Many animals can live on the farm. Yeah. Farm. Very good. So today, we're going to talk about the many animals that make their home on the farm. On the farm, yeah. So we can call these animals pets too, right? We talked about a cow, right? And a pig. Yeah, they live on a farm. And remember when we talked about having a pet where we take care of it, we say, I have a pet cow. I have a pet cow. Good. Oh, pet cow. Or I have a pet pig. I have a pet pig. I have a pet pig. Yeah. Wait. Frog, yeah. All kinds of pets. Good. All right. So when we have a pet, we say, I have a pet. Good. So now we already know cow and pig. Now we're going to learn about some other animals who make their home on a farm. Okay? And we're going to do that with a PowerPoint presentation. So pay attention to the TV for me. Okay, great. So look at this first picture. Again, it's another example of our farm. Farm. Good. Here's another picture of a farm. We've got a girl farmer and a boy and many animals that live on the farm. Yeah, sunflower too. Okay, so now we're going to look at some animals. The first two we already know, so this should be easy. What animal is this?
Cow.
Very good. Cow. Cow. And what sound does the cow make? Ma. Pretty good. All right. Now for the second one, we already know. Very good. It's so cute. Look at it. Pig. Good. And what sound does pig make? Wait. Very nice. Really good pig noises. Good. Now we're going to learn some new ones. Okay, so this animal in English is called a horse. Horse. Good. It's that H sound. Horse. Good. Horse. Good. And what sound does a horse make? No? Very good. Yeah. So depends. Yeah, that's really good. Sometimes they whinny. Sounds like hee, right? Sometimes they say neigh. Good. Horse. And sometimes they do that thing with their lips where they go. Horse. What's cool about horses, we can ride them, right? You can ride horses. Cool. Horse. H, no N. Yeah. This is a picture of a sheep. Good. So we have our sh sound. Sheep. Ends in a P. Sheep. Good. This is a sheep. And I heard it. What noise does a sheep make? Good. Good. Very good. Sheep. Good. I heard it. We've seen this one before. We are going to call this a hen. Hen. Good. Hen. What sound does the hen make? Okay. A. That works. Or cheep cheep. A. Okay, I love all those sounds. Hen. Hen. Good. And finally? Yeah. Okay, let me show you something. First, let me hear you say the word rooster. 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 Good. And let me explain the hen and rooster situation. Right. All right. So we have chicken, right? Chicken, right? Chicken. So from chicken, girl chicken, who lays the eggs, right? Girl chicken, hen. Hen. That's what we mean when we say hen. Chicken, that's a girl. All right? Chicken, that's a girl. Hen. All right, so what about chicken, that's a boy? He usually has pretty colors in his. All right, boy chicken, rooster. Rooster. All right. So girl chicken, hen. Boy chicken, rooster. Hen, rooster. Good. So for hen, we usually say the sound is what? Like cheep cheep or quack quack. For rooster, in English, you're gonna like this one. In English, we say cock-a-doodle-doo. That's what we say. Yeah. What do you guys say for rooster? Early in the morning. It says cock-a-doodle-doo. Pretty good. Yeah, good. Early in the morning, right? The rooster makes a lot of noise. Is that what you guys say? A, something? Okay. Perfect. All right, so hen, cheep cheep, right? Cheep cheep. Rooster, what is it? A. Good. Whatever works. All right, cool. Now we're gonna practice them with our flashcards. All right, we'll start with easy ones. What animal is this?
Cow.
Very good. Cow. Cow.
Cow.
And the sound cow makes?
Moo.
Yeah, ma or moo. Whatever. Cow. And, rooster. Very good. Boy chicken, rooster. And he says, A, right? You guys are better at it. Or, cock-a-doodle-doo. That's what we say in America. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good. Rooster. Very good. Pig. And the pig says, wait. Yeah. Or oot. Or oink, oink. Good. Pig. Who remembers this word? Ho- horse. 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 And what sound does a horse make? Good. Sure. That works. Horse. Yeah, or they make that sound, don't they? They do this. Very good. What about this one? Very good. Girl, chicken, hen. Hen. And we decided they make what? Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep. Or what do we say? In America, we say, chicken. Hen. Good. Who remembers this one? It starts with shh. Close, close. Shoe. Remember, our shoe is what we wear on our feet. Sheep. 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 Good. And the sound sheep makes? Good. Hugh's really good at it. Good. Sheep. Good. Very good. Okay, so the moment you've all been waiting for. Now we're gonna sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Good. All right, we're gonna go over the words because we've kind of, sort of not learned it in class before. All right. What letter is this? E. I. When Teacher Shelby says, Old MacDonald had a farm. Very good. E-I-E-I-O. Good. And Teacher Shelby says, and on this farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. And then we make the noise, right? With a ma, ma here, and a ma, ma there, ma, ma everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Good, good. All right, so that's how we're going to sing it. I'll be singing most of the words. I know it's a lot, but I want to hear you all singing the E-I-E-I-O part as well as the animal sound, all right? So I want you guys to stand up. So whatever the animal is, we're gonna make the noise. And I wanna see you act like one too. Cow. Good, okay, ready? So we'll do cow first. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there and a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good. Now who remembers this word? Ruler. Remember, ruler is ruler. Rooster. Rooster. All right, ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. With a A-E-A. Here and there and everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very good. Let's see what's next. Very good memory. Pig.
Pig.
Pig. Ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there and a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very good. It's the best one yet. All right, who remembers this word? Horse. 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 All right, so Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a good E here and a E there and a E everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very good. Hen, very good. Hen. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a cheep, cheep here and a cheep, cheep there and a cheep, 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 cheep everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very good. So, ooh, this is a good one. Who remembers? Starts with a sh. Close. Good, good guess. Sheep. 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 All right, ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there and a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very good. All right, now that we've got the hang of it, we're not going to go over the words anymore. We're just going to do it one more time. A little bit faster, all right? So look at the picture, and then that's how you know the animal. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a ma here and a ma there and a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. With a A-E-A-E-A here, and an A-E-A-E-A there, and an A-E-A-E-A everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a weep, weep here, and a weep, weep there, and a weep, 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 weep everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very nice. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With an E here, and an E there, and a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Right, you guys are getting so good at it. All right, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a cheep, cheep here, and a cheep, cheep there, and cheep, 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 cheep everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Last one. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there and a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Excellent job, everybody. Very good. All right, the next thing we're gonna do together is you all are gonna get a worksheet that looks something similar to this. Yeah, it's got a maze on it. We've never done a maze before, but I'll help you guys out. So first, I'll pass out the worksheets. I want you guys to follow along. We'll go through the maze together, just to make sure you understand. Okay?
Thank you, teacher.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Oh, no crayon, that's okay. You can get some.
Thank you, teacher.
Oh, thank you, thank you. All right, so first with pencil. It's good. I see most of us know how to do it, but just so you know, you start at the star, right? And then here's another star. And there's all these lines, right? It's all this blah, 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 blah. What you're trying to do is find the way out of the maze. Yeah, yeah. So you want to connect the star to the star, right? Connect the star to the star. Yeah, you guys know what a maze is. Good. So first, I want you guys to complete the maze on your own. Connect the star to the other star. Find a way through the maze. Yeah. Very good, Nadia. Good, Tew. We are going to use our crayons to decorate our worksheets too. Yep. So now that we're wrapping up our maze, okay, I'll wait. Okay, great. Now that we've got our crayons and our worksheet, I just want to take a minute. Take a look at your worksheet. Can you show me the cow on your worksheet? Do you see a cow? Where? Show me. Yeah, here's a cow. Show me the cow. Good. Show me the cow on your worksheet. Good. What else do we see? Do we see a pig? Show me the pig. There you go. Yeah, show me the pig on your worksheet. What about a horse? Horse. Yeah. Point to the horse on your worksheet. Horse. Very good. And what's the last one? Sheep? A sheep? What about a sheep? Do you see a sheep? Yeah, point to the sheep on your worksheet. And finally, there's one at the bottom. Deep, deep, at the bottom of the paper. I know, bottom. There's a hen. Do you see a hen on your worksheet? Where's the hen? Ah, yeah, there it is. Point to the hen on your worksheet. Very good. These are our farm animals, everyone. I want us to spend the rest of our lesson decorating our worksheets with our crayons. Don't forget to put your name on it. Spend some time, make it look good, and then join us back here to say goodbye. So thanks everyone for spending time with us. That's going to be the last activity for this lesson. Hope your drawings turned out nice. Can everyone say goodbye? Goodbye. Goodbye. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.